See, most people are obsessed with income, side hustles, and the next big opportunity. But they ignore the system running in their head. Stay with me, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how that moment works inside your brain. This is Portal Profits. Most people don't fail at money because they're bad at math. They fail because their brain is wired for survival, not wealth. Your brain evolved to chase comfort, avoid pain, and grab rewards as fast as possible. That worked great when food was scarce. It works terribly when money decisions shape your future. Every time you spend instead of invest, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine. It feels good, safe, familiar. Saving and investing feel boring because the reward is delayed. This is called present bias. Your brain values now more than later. And later always pays the price. That's why people get raises but stay broke. More money comes in, and expenses quietly rise to match it. Same stress, just nicer packaging. But the most dangerous trap isn't spending. It's identity. If you believe you're bad with money, you will act like someone who's bad with money. If you believe rich people are greedy, you'll subconsciously avoid becoming one. Your behavior follows your identity, not your goals. That's why motivation doesn't last. Quick pause. Most people think the mistake they make with money is spending too much. That's not it. The real mistake happens before the money is spent. It's a decision your brain makes automatically, and almost nobody notices it. In the last minute of this video, I'll show you how to catch that decision in real time and stop it before it costs you years. If you leave now, you'll miss the part that actually changes behavior. Willpower fades, emotion takes over, and the cycle repeats. Wealthy people don't rely on discipline. They design systems. They automate decisions. They remove emotion. They delay gratification without thinking about it. Same human brain, different setup. Money isn't a motivation problem. It's a psychology problem. Change the system, and the behavior follows. If you want to think clearly about money, you don't need more hustle. You need fewer emotional decisions. And once you see that, you can't unsee it. This is how the game actually works. Before you scroll, think about your last money decision. Did it come from emotion or from a system? Comment system if you're building wealth on autopilot. Comment emotion if money decisions still feel reactive. This is Portal Profits, and in the next 1-minute video, I'll show you how to turn emotion into automation.